Hello everyone. In this section we are going to see about flipped classroom approach in nursing education. I am Brindaronika, tutor working at Triple M College of Nursing. Objectives of this section is at the end of the class, students will be able to define flipped classroom approach, discuss the benefits of flipped classroom approach, enumerate flipped classroom model, describe technology tools used for flipped classroom approach, and brief about challenges in flipped classroom teaching. The flipped classroom is new in the teaching field as a strategy for teaching. It is not a traditional way of teaching. It has been used by teachers from elementary school to graduate school nowadays. As with most strategies, the flipped classroom has a variety of ways to implement in the classroom. What is flipped classroom approach means? It is a pedagogical approach that reverses traditional lecture homework format. Students learn foundational content at home through pre-recorded lectures, reading or online modules, and then engage in active applied learning activities in the classroom. So this is not a traditional way of teaching method. Here before the class itself, the students will go through their pre-recorded lectures and they'll read, and after that in the class the discussion will go and some of the activities will happen. Some of the benefits of flipped classroom teaching are: it gives personalized learning experience to each and every student, and it increased student engagement. Students actively engaged in every activities. It increase or improve retention and understanding level of the student. It enhance critical thinking and problem solving skills also, and in mainly nursing education it helps for better preparation for clinical practice also. Here we'll see 5 key components of flipped classroom approach. The first one is a pre-classroom preparation, which includes online lectures, reading and quizzes. Before the class itself we have to prepare these things. And next one is a in-class activities, that is means discussion of case studies and some group discussion and simulation. And the third component is a active learning strategies. Here only the problem based learning will happen, and also think, pair, share also will happen. So think, pair, share means it is nothing but first we have to give some time to the students to think about the particular content, and next one is pair means they have to share that content with their friends or small group. Finally, share means in the classroom before teachers and every students they have to share it. And next important key component is a technology integration, because here technology plays a vital role. That is, we need a videos, podcast, interactive modules. And the final key component is a faculty guidance and feedback. So these are the key components of flipped classroom approach. Next we'll see the model. So there are 4 models are there in flipped classroom teaching method. First one is a traditional flip. Traditional flip means which includes pre-recorded lectures plus in-class activities. This is called as a traditional flip. Second one is a modified flip, which means it contains in-class lectures and plus online reinforcement. So traditional means that is a pre-record lectures plus in-class activities, but modified means here in-class lectures and then online reinforcement. Then third one is a inverted flip, that is means online modules plus in-class skill practice. Okay, so this is mostly happening in the nursing education. And the fourth model is a hybrid flip, that is means it is a combination of online and face to face instruction. So these are all the 4 flipped classroom models. What are all they means? Traditional flip, modified flip, inverted flip and hybrid flip. Next we'll see the 4 pillars of flipped classroom. So this is very important. These 4 things we should have, then only we can easily use this method. So first one is a flexible environment, we should need it, and next one is a learning culture. The students should know that this type of learning culture also. And next one is a intentional content. We should have the before itself we should have the thought what we are going to speak and what content we are going to deliver, that we should have it. And final one is a professional educator. Why means here we have to use the technology also, so the educator should know how to use technologies, as well as they should qualified also. So these are the four pillars of flipped classroom. Next we see some of the technology tools which is needed for the flipped classroom approach. The first one is a learning management system, because these systems the both students and also the staffs they can use it. Here the all pre-recorded lectures will be available. And next one is a video recording software we need it, that is example Camtasia and ScreenFlow. And interactive modules, that is Articulate, Storyline and Adobe Captive we need it. And simulation software, this is very important in the nursing education, that is like SimChat and nursing simulation. And we should need a online quizzing tools, that is we already know Kahoot and Quizlet program. So these are all the technology tools we needed for flipped classroom approach. So here we see some of the challenges and limitations in the flipped classroom technique. First one is a technological barrier. If the proper technology is not available means we can't use this teaching method. Next one is a student engagement and motivation. In this teaching method, students should actively participate. If they are demotivated means there is no use of this teaching method. And faculty buy-in and training, the proper training we have to give for the faculties. And curriculum should be redesigned according to this teaching method. And assessment and evaluation. Next we'll see some of the recommendations to implement this flipped classroom approach. First one is start small. We should not start with a big group. We start with a small group only, that is pilot, a single course or module. Next one is we should collaborate with faculty and instructional designer. Then we should develop a clear policies and procedures. According to that we have to do it. And we should provide a student support and resources. And finally we have to continuously evaluate and improve it. So these are all some of the recommendation to implement flipped classroom approach. So by implementing the flipped classroom approach, nursing educators can create an engaging, effective and student-centered learning environment. Thank you.